Hey guys, it's Aaron Anto, and in this video I'm going to go over how to encode and upload to YouTube in 8K. Now it is the early days of the whole 8K thing, but people are getting 8K cameras like the red Epic W that I have here and are wondering how the heck do I upload in 8K. So I'm going to be going over the PC side of how to do it, but this also will apply on the Mac as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so here I have my red Epic W. I'm going to change the resolution to 8K. And then next I'm going to start the recording and then record a short, about 8-second clip here. So I'm going to use this clip as the example for the 8K export. Alright, so now that we've recorded our footage, it's time to bring it into Premiere Pro and export it. So let me go ahead and import the footage. So I have my R3D files here. I'm just going to import the first one because it actually imports all of it at once. And as you can see, we have the resolution is at 8K and at 29.97. So I'm just going to drag this down to my timeline. And I'm going to change my playback to, let's just do 1/8. And I'll just start it here real quick. And then, let's see, we'll go to 5 seconds. There. 5 seconds, okay. Play this back. There, got a nice smooth little 5-second push in from the slider. Okay, now almost forgot. I'm gonna apply my LUT. So I'm going to go to the footage, change my color space to a wide gamut RGB, change my gamma curve to log 3G10. Okay, and then browse for my LUT. And I'm using the IPP2 preview medium contrast. So now I'm exporting as WebM, and I will link to where you can get this codec online. It's for Windows and Mac, and there's only custom. I'm going to choose my destination. I'll just choose here, and okay, I'm going to match the source, so it keeps it all at 8K. Then down here you have your codec settings, choose VP9, constant quality, and 50 is just a good number for export. Unclick to pass encoding, otherwise you're going to be sitting here all day and night. And so it says the file size for this 5-second file will be 85 megs. So I'm going to queue that up. I will bring up my task manager and show you my CPU usage. I'm using the top of the line i7 6950X, which is a 10-core extreme CPU. So it actually has 20 threads in total. So the export just finished, and if I look at the log, you can see here it took 12 minutes and 13 seconds for this 5-second file with this quality setting. So yeah, it's seriously, it's gonna take a long time, so just expect really huge render times when using this WebM codec for 8K. Alright, so now we're going to export to YouTube. So you pretty much upload the video just like any other kind of YouTube video. So YouTube finally finished the encoding of the video all the way up to 8K. I have it open here in my Edge browser, also open here in Chrome. Now on the Edge browser, in both browsers, you can see that the quality level goes all the way up to 8K here. Here's 8K. And now currently, if you choose 8K in Edge and then play that back, and then it is going to look like garbage. So it's definitely not being played back correctly using Edge for sure. If you go into Chrome, we'll change this to 8K and we'll play it back, and there it goes. It does play back correctly in Chrome. And take a look at this. This is even more interesting. So I'll maximize this. Hopefully this is coming through on the video, and then I will actually show you what it looks like in 4K. Hopefully this will resolve. Right, so look at this. Even if, so in 4K, we're seeing a breakdown of the quality here. So you can see how it's being pixelated. Now I'll change it back to 8K. Now look at it. I mean, it looks beautiful. This is, I mean, I can pretty much resolve the image noise or the grain here. I mean, it's very, very impressively nice. I mean, there's no visible deterioration. Once you bring that down to 1080p, I mean, 1080p, I mean, yeah, you can see how just how bad things are deteriorate. So anyway, that is my workflow for 8K, exporting 8K to YouTube. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks, guys.